Hi everyone! Here we are again, Module 4, Lesson 14 homework, and the objective is to define and construct triangles from given criteria. So they're going to tell you what to draw and you are going to draw it and decide if there is symmetry in the triangles. Again, please remember to use your problem set because it's almost identical. And remember, you only have to answer the problems that are circled. So, draw triangles that fit the following classifications. Use a ruler and a protractor. Label the side lengths and angles. Now, I did this in PowerPoint, so I could not measure the sides. But you are going to need to label the lengths of the sides to show that they're equal. So this is right and isosceles. So first things first, I made sure that I had a right angle. And isosceles, I made sure that the two red sides were equal. That's why I made them both red. And this black side is a different length. So obviously, maybe this would be 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So you do need to label the sides. I just could not do it in the program that I was using. Right and scalene. Now scalene means no sides are equal length, which is why I made them blue, green, and purple to show that they are different lengths and a right angle. But you would need to label the lengths. Obtuse and isosceles. So isosceles means that two sides are equal lengths, which is why I made them both red, and one is different. And isosceles means that I just said that, two sides are equal in length, and obtuse means a angle larger than 90 degrees. So for the protractor, you'd have to label this angle as well. Acute and scalene. Scalene means all three sides are different length, which is why I use 3 different colors. And acute means that all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So again, you'd have to label the sides and the angles. For number 2, you're going to draw lines of symmetry in the triangles above. So I cut and pasted the triangles that I made above. So that this has a line of symmetry because these two sides are equivalent. So that means that you could draw a line of symmetry and these smaller triangles would match. The same thing here. This is isosceles. 2 of the sides are equal. So that means you can make a line of symmetry here for the 2 smaller triangles. ABC is isosceles, which means that 2 sides are equal in length. So does that mean that AB must be 2 centimeters? Well, that is true because this is a different length, which means isosceles means that 2 sides of the triangle are equal. So if these 2 are different, that means this has to be the same length as AC. Okay? A triangle cannot have both an acute and a right angle, true or false? Well, they can. That's false. The triangles, the sum of all of the angles is always 180. So it is possible to have a 90-degree angle and an acute angle that's less than 90. XYZ is both equilateral and acute. True or false? Well, it's true. All sides are equal in length, which is why they have those lines there. And all angles are less than 90 degrees, which means they're acute. So both of those attributes make it equilateral and acute. A right triangle is always scalene. True or false? That's false. A right triangle can be isosceles, which means that 2 sides are equal in length. That is true. You're doing a great job. I know I'm going very quickly, but we did this in class. And you have your reference sheet. So this this lesson made you kind of apply everything that we've learned. So great job, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Oh, here's the extension. Sorry. ABC, is X equal to Y? Well, no, because AB is equal to BC, which means A would be equal to C. Okay, so now we're done, and I'll see you tomorrow.